smile. From peach to a Buddha, your head wears the key to slaying out events so effortlessly. Altogether divine, wrap elegance around all her head. So how you shine, unique fascinators are a cap so chic. With your touch, we're the talk of the week. Hey, a master of design, your creativity knows no boundary line. Turbans that turn heads, fascinators that stun. In the world of head where you're second to none. Hey, altogether divine, wrap elegance around all her heads. So how you shine.